Healing Meditation Words for Beginners of Meditation Chapter 9. 1. A man should hasten towards the good. He should restrain his thoughts from evil. If a man is slack in doing what is good, his mind comes to rejoice in evil. 2. If a man commits sin, let him not do it again and again. Let him not set his heart on it. Sorrowful is the accumulation of evil conduct. 3. If a man does what is good, let him do it again and again. Let him set his heart on it. Happiness is the outcome of good conduct. 4. Even an evil-doer sees happiness so long as his evil deed does not ripen. But when the evil deed has ripened, then does the evil-doer see evil. 5. Even a good man sees evil as long as his good deed does not ripen. But when his good deed ripens, then the good man sees the good in store for him. 6. Think not lightly of evil, saying that, "It will not come near me." Even a water pot is filled by the falling of drops of water. A fool becomes full of evil even if he gathers it little by little. 7. As a merchant ill-attended and having much wealth shuns a dangerous road, as a man who loves his life avoids poison, so should a wise man avoid evil actions. 8. If there be no wound on a person's hand, he might touch poison with his hand. Poison does not harm one who has no wound. No evil befalls him does no evil. 9. Whoever does wrong to an innocent person or to one who is pure and sinless, evil recoils on that fool even as fine dust thrown against the wind recoils on the person throwing it. 10. Some entered the womb *. Evil doers go to hell. The good go to heaven. Those free from worldly desires attain nirvana. 11. Neither in the sky nor in the midst of the sea nor by entering into the clefts of mountains is there known a place on earth where stationing himself, a man can escape from the consequences of his evil deed. 12. Neither in the sky nor in the midst of the sea nor by entering into the clefts of mountains is there known a place on earth where stationing himself, death cannot overcome him.